Finger family.
Joseph and his brothers. Isaac's son Jacob had 12 sons of his own. Joseph was his father's favorite. When Joseph was 17, Jacob gave him a wonderful tunic. Joseph's brothers were very jealous, for this tunic was more beautiful than anything Jacob had ever given them. They wanted revenge. One day, when they were working in the fields, the brothers seized Joseph and tore off his tunic. Joseph's oldest brother Reuben persuaded the others not to kill Joseph. At that moment, some merchants came by on their way to Egypt. "This young man will make a good servant," the brothers cried to the merchants. "Will you buy him from us?" The merchants agreed and took Joseph with them to Egypt. The wicked brothers soaked Joseph's tunic in goat's blood and took it to their father. "Something terrible has happened," they cried. "Joseph has been killed by a wild beast." While he was a slave in Egypt, Joseph became known for telling people the meaning of their dreams. Even Pharaoh, the ruler of Egypt, came to see Joseph about a terrible nightmare he had had. "Last night I dreamed of 7 fat cows grazing on the banks of the Nile. Suddenly 7 thin cows attacked and ate them." Joseph said that God would give Pharaoh the answer. Joseph said, "The healthy cows mean that for the next 7 years the harvest will be good, and there will be plenty of food. But for 7 years after that the harvest will be poor, and people will starve. This is a warning that you should save grain and corn to see you through the bad years." Pharaoh was very grateful, and as a reward, he put Joseph in charge of storing the crops. Joseph became a powerful minister.
If you like the video,
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.